Hello, and we have a new cumulative update as you see on my PC for Windows 11 version 22H2 for 64 base system. Build number as you see it's KB5026372. And now I'm just downloading this cumulative update and we will see what is new. And security intelligent update for Microsoft Defender antivirus KGB 2267602 version 1.38.9.915.0. It's complete, just I must wait and restart PC and we will see what is new. So guys, go to your PCs and check if you have this update. And for now, thank you for watching and bye.